Pass kwargs to starmap while using pool in Python. I'm using pool to multithread my program using starmap to pass arguments. I'm stuck because I cannot seem to find a way to pass kwargs along with the zip arrays that I'm passing in the starmap function. The branch's request is incomplete as I'm still not able to figure out how to pass keywords arguments. While calling fetch_API from the branch line, I want to pass payload as a'1 and key equals true. Please guide me to the direction or answer. Thanks. Using Python 3.3+.
You can create a wrapper around pool.starmap that also accepts an iterator of over kwargs dictionaries. Then you can call it in your case as
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.